Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Eric from eGatSec. I just recently unboxed the Black Shark 4 Pro and here it is again, ready to be tested along with the ROG Phone 5 and the RedMagic 6 Pro. So this is going to be a quick ANTUTU benchmark test between the three gaming phones that all carry the Snapdragon 888. So let's see which one of these phones actually come out on top. So all three phones that I've got here all have 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. And like I said, they all have the Snapdragon 888, but the only difference is the refresh rate. On the RedMagic 6 Pro, this one has the highest refresh rate at 165. Both the ROG Phone 5 and the Black Shark 4 Pro have the 144Hz refresh rate. So I'll be running a test on ANTUTU Benchmark version 9, and of course I'm going to be turning on all the dedicated game centers for each of the phones. So I'll turn on X mode here for the ROG Phone 5. So let's see on the Black Shark 4 Pro if you can actually add ANTUTU benchmark test on Shark Space. Because on the Black Shark 2 Pro and the Black Shark 3 Pro, that wasn't possible. Add games, and yep, that seems to be the case, guys. You also can't add the ANTUTU benchmark test in Shark Space. So let's turn that off and just load ANTUTU benchmark normally. And lastly, on the RedMagic 6 Pro, let's turn on the Nubia Game Center, load up ANTUTU. Okay, so they're all on version 9.0.3. Let's start the test in 3, 2, 1. So those are my score, guys. It's a pleasant surprise. The Xiaomi Black Shark 4 Pro actually wins out slightly ahead of the RedMagic 6 Pro. It ended up with a high score of 828,489, followed by the RedMagic 6 Pro with 826,578, and in last place we've got the ROG Phone 5 with 807,402. What's interesting to note here, guys, is that temperature-wise, the Black Shark 4 Pro maxed out at 46.5 degrees, 40.4 on the RedMagic 6 Pro, and the coolest phone among the three is the ROG Phone 5, hitting only 39.8. Battery-wise, the ROG Phone 5 only lost 5%, Black Shark 4 Pro 10%, and the RedMagic 6 Pro lost 6%. So those are my scores that I'm getting on my devices, guys. Try to run a test on your phones and let me know what scores you're getting and share it on the comment section down below. So that's it for my quick video here, guys. I've got a lot more tests on the way, so if you want to be the first one to see it, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. A sub would be massively appreciated. Please like and subscribe, turn on that bell icon notification, and see you all on my next one.